Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that help you express your beauty with confidence. Today, we're looking at something a little bold, a splash of color for your eyes with the KIKO Milano Super Color Waterproof Eyeliner in shade 07. A rich burgundy designed to make your eyes pop while staying put through the day. The eyeliner comes in a pencil form with a matte finish and claims of being smudge-resistant and water-resistant. KIKO Milano is known for vibrant, long-lasting color, and this product promises high coverage without fading or running, which makes it an interesting choice for anyone looking to add a colorful twist to their eye makeup routine. Using this eyeliner was a smooth experience. The pencil glides over the lash line without tugging, and the pigmentation is impressive. You get full, intense color in just one stroke. Applying it on the waterline also worked well, though I found it slightly drier there, which can require a gentle hand. Throughout a full day of wear, it resisted smudging, even in humid conditions or during light activity, staying true to its waterproof claims. Removing it at the end of the day required a standard makeup remover, but it didn't leave stubborn residue, which I appreciate. What I love about this eyeliner is the vibrancy of the burgundy. It's versatile enough to complement both neutral and dramatic looks. The matte finish adds a sophisticated touch, while the pencil form makes it easy to control and apply precisely. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers creamier, softer pencils, this one might feel a touch stiff. It's also a single shade, so you'll need other eyeliners if you like to mix colors. In terms of value, KIKO Milano generally falls into the mid-range category. Considering the quality, pigmentation, and durability, the price feels justified for those looking for a long-lasting, waterproof option. Compared to some higher-end brands, this is a more budget-friendly way to get professional-level performance without compromising on color payoff. The pencil's build is sturdy, with a clean design that makes it easy to store or travel with. The smudge-resistant formula holds up well, and the water-resistant claim genuinely performs. KIKO Milano's reputation for handling products and inquiries is solid, so if you ever run into issues, you can expect responsive support. If you're exploring alternatives, other waterproof eyeliners like NYX Slide-On or Maybelline Color Sensational offer similar vibrant, long-lasting performance. But KIKO's matte burgundy shade has a richness that's hard to beat in this price range. Overall, the KIKO Milano Super Color Waterproof Eyeliner 7 delivers on its promises: bold, high-coverage color, smudge-resistant wear, and a matte finish that stays put. It's perfect for beauty enthusiasts who want a pop of color that lasts all day without fuss. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this eyeliner, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it works for you. The link to purchase the product is in the description box or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.